From the smallest signals to the biggest innovations, we transform ideas into reality and connections into possibilities. Hello, welcome to the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. I am Dr. Pratibha MK, head of the department. The department was established during the year 2010 with an intake of 60 students and increased to 120 students in the year 2012. The department is proud to have highly qualified and experienced staff members who have dedicated themselves in providing an experiential learning for the students. The department also supported by highly skilled technical staff and state-of-art laboratories, meeting both academic and industry needs. Our program was first accredited by NBA during the year 2019. And since then, accreditation continued till December 2028. Apart from this, our institution is NAAC accredited with an A+ grade, the first engineering college in Mysuru to get A+ grade. These recognitions are a reflection of quality of education we provide at our institution. Some of the best practices we follow, the infrastructural facilities and skill training that we provide in order to produce quality electronics engineers is presented by our faculty members.
At our institution, mentoring goes beyond academics. Through continuous interactions, personalized guidance, we help students to build confidence, gain clarity, and successful future.
Hello, coming to the additional lab facilities, our department equipped with advanced skill development labs like Cadence Lab, LabVIEW Lab, and Altium PCB Design Lab. In Cadence Lab, we have 30 user licensed software with University Research Bundle package. In that package, which includes complete VLSI design flow from schematic to the layout and the verification. And it supports for analog, digital and mixed signal design capabilities with the advanced simulation and validation tools. This will expose the students with the industry standard EDA tool for their careers. More than 200 students have been undertaken the training in the VLSI, Cadence, and 50% were placed in the core companies like Qualcomm, HP, Cadence, and so on. In addition to this, we have a LabVIEW software with a 10-user professional package for 99 years, or you call it as perpetual license. Through that license tool, the students will be encouraged for programming language in a virtual manner called as graphical programming language with the help of the MyDAC and MyRio kits provided by National Instruments were used for their hobby projects, mini projects, and their final year projects as well.
Our department organizes an annual fest called OCHA, which includes a mix of technical and non-technical events. Major technical events includes Hackathon, Project Expo, Poster Presentation, Technical Treasure Hunt, Sim Zone, Robo Race, etc. Students are also encouraged to participate in prestigious national level competitions such as Smart India Hackathon, eYantra, Ideathon, Young India Innovation Contest, ECE Tech Bites, and many more. Many students have secured prizes and also reached the finals. Students are also encouraged to take up innovative projects and apply for funds through KCST and VGST, and are also guided in publishing the research papers and filing the patents. To support the student participation, department provides financial assistance covering registration fee, travel allowance, and accommodation. Overall, these initiatives contribute to the holistic development of our students.
In today's fast-changing world, general skills are no longer enough. The Department of Electronics and Communication is offering a specialized training program, domain-specific training for our students to enhance their skills and to make them industry-ready. As of now, we are providing domain-specific training in the domains like VLSI, embedded systems, data engineering, applied machine learning, augmented reality, and ethical hacking. The student has to choose his or her interested domain in the third semester, and the training will be provided to the students in 4th, 5th and 6th semester for the duration of 60 hours. So once the student has offered the domain, then the student has to explore his interest in various areas like the certification programs, internships, mini projects and major projects. The domain specific training will help the students to achieve their goal and to make them placements ready in the coming days.
Hello, I'm Shweta KT, Assistant Professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. I'm here to share a few success stories of our students. Success is not just measured by marks, but by how we grow and make an impact. At the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, our students transform knowledge into achievement and ambition into success. Our students consistently set high academic benchmarks. I'm proud to share Mr. Sheetal K. Athreya has secured an impressive 8th rank in the university, reflecting our strong academic culture. It is a delight to share Ms. Chaitra AM has cleared Engineering Service Examination 2024 with an outstanding All India rank of 31, bringing great pride to the department. Addition to this, Ms. Ananya S. Nayak distinguished herself by earning an additional 26 credit to achieve BE Honours degree. Our learners actively engage beyond classroom. Many of our students have qualified in GATE, demonstrating their strong technical foundation. Their innovative spirit is evident through active participation in prestigious platforms like Smart India Hackathon and Project Expo, bringing home awards and recognition. Our students also presented papers at national and international conferences. I'm proud to share several student projects have received funding support from various agencies, empowering them to convert an ideas into an impactful solution. In fact, the department takes the first step to motivate students to innovate by providing financial assistance generously to their projects. Through holistic development, our students also excel at sports and cultural events. They are proudly represented the university in basketball, softball and wrestling, showcasing their discipline, teamwork and resilience. At the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, we just don't create graduates. We nurture achievers, innovators, and leaders of tomorrow. And this journey of excellence continues.
Placement plays a significant role in students' life after their graduation. They offer direct job opportunities to pursue their career. Many of our students have been placed in top companies as such Infosys, IBM, Cadence, TCS, etc. Throughout their graduation, ATME CE offers 4 types of training programs. In first year, Business English Training Program is offered to the students, and in second year, Soft Skills Training Program, and third year, Aptitude Program, and also along with Pre-Placement Training Program. So these programs help students to get placed in topmost companies. Along with placements, guidance to pursue MS and MTech will also be provided in the department.
Research Center was established in the year 2013-14. We have 9 research supervisors expertised in various domains. The center has awarded 11 PhD degrees so far, and currently 10 research scholars are pursuing PhD. It has also contributed 400 plus publications in reputed journals and conferences indexed in Google Scholars, Scopus and Web of Science.
The department has successfully executed several research proposals funded by mainly DST, KSCST, SERP, KTech Time, and approximate money is 2.4 crores.
Who said ECE has no job opportunities? Reality is ECE is one of the most powerful branch in the engineering. Most students are confused. Does choosing an ECE really have a good futures? The answer is yes. But only if you know this. The biggest advantages of ECE student is the IT field. If you have coding skill, you can become a developer, and also you can become a tester or a data analyst. The companies like Infosys, TCS, Wipro regularly hires ECE graduates, and the core electronics companies is another powerful options where the students can seek their career growth, like in VLSI and embedded systems, where offers a very high salary and high demand in the market nowadays. Apart from this, we have also have a future fields like AI/ML, IoTs, hardware and robotics. In the next 10 years, this field will become a boom in the market. You also have an opportunities in a government sectors and private public sectors, where the organizations like ISRO, BEL, BARC, BSNL, DRDO, HAL, BHEL and so others companies are also going to hire an ECE students for their organizations. But choosing an electronics and communication engineering with a good skill and with a good knowledge, we have an opportunities are unlimited, where the ECE is called as an unlimited opportunities in a career. Thank you.